So let's start creating smart contract. Develop the ERC721 smart contract with the OpenZeppelin contract wizard. As said before, in this tutorial you are going to use OpenZeppelin wizard to create a smart contract for two main reasons. It's secure, it offers standard complaining smart contract. When it comes to writing a smart contract, security is key. There are tons of examples of a smart contract exploits that have seen hundreds of millions of dollars stolen by malicious actors due to bad security. You don't want someone to steal all your precious cryptos or NFTs once you deploy on the blockchain, right? OpenZeppelin serves the purpose, being one of the biggest maintenance of smart contract standards, ERC20, ERC21, etc., allowing developers to use thoroughly audited code to develop reliable contracts. The first thing you'll need to do to develop our ERC21 NFT smart contract is go to OpenZeppelin smart contract wizard page. Once on the page, you'll see the following editor.